Hello everyone, it's me SIDDHANT and welcome in my channel, and today I am going to tell you some tips and methods uh, to make an effective painting. So these tips will definitely help you to make a nice painting, and I think you all have known about the items that we are going to use to make a painting. So let me repeat it once in short. So the items or the things we need for our today's activity are pencil, brush, both sharp and normal brush, watercolor, but among watercolors it should be poster color, palette, last but not least is poster color and pencil. And apart from these all the things, it is always better if you have some water and an appropriate paper for painting. At first, in order to start a painting, we should be ready with the paper and pencil and eraser. So now let's begin. So now let's plan that what we are going to draw. So let's start with a simple natural drawing. So I'm going to draw this hill. Now we are ready with the drawing. So now let's start to paint. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to make it completely wet, this sky area. So to do that, I have already taken some water, so let's check it.